Welcome back to InfinityLearn Canada Academy. I'm Nathan, and today we're taking our exploration of AI to the next level. In Part 1, we examined how AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, often in ways we might not even notice. But in Part 2, we'll delve deeper into how AI is not just enhancing, but fundamentally transforming entire industries and the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Let's pick up where we left off and explore the advanced ways AI is shaping our world, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. World, AI has become an essential tool for safeguarding assets and managing risks. Institutions like MasterCard have deployed sophisticated AI systems that monitor global transactions in real time. These systems aren't just reactive, they're proactive, identifying and preventing fraud before it can cause any damage. At MasterCard, under the visionary leadership of Ajay Banga, the company implemented a sophisticated AI-driven fraud detection system to protect its global customer base. This advanced system was developed in collaboration with IBM Watson, leveraging cutting-edge machine learning algorithms to monitor and analyze billions of transactions in real time. One significant incident involved a complex fraud scheme spanning multiple countries, where fraudulent transactions were attempted almost simultaneously in cities as far apart as London and Tokyo. The AI system, designed to detect such anomalies, flagged this suspicious activity immediately, allowing for rapid response. Unlike traditional methods that might have required hours or even days to identify such a threat, the AI's rapid analysis enabled MasterCard to take swift action, blocking the transactions before any financial damage could occur. This quick response not only prevented potential losses, but also highlighted the essential role of AI in maintaining security and integrity within the modern financial sector. AI in transportation, navigating the future. Transportation is one of the most visible areas where AI is making a significant impact. It's not just about self-driving cars. It's about creating a fully autonomous transportation network that learns and improves with each journey. Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc., has been pioneering the use of AI in autonomous vehicles under the guidance of CEO John Krafcik, pushing the boundaries of what self-driving technology can achieve. In their extensive testing phase in Phoenix, Arizona, Waymo's AI system has logged millions of miles, continually learning and improving its driving capabilities through real-world experience and complex simulations. In one particular test, the AI successfully navigated a complex situation where multiple pedestrians, bicycles, and vehicles converged at a busy intersection, showcasing its ability to handle high-pressure scenarios. The system had to make split-second decisions, predicting the movements of each participant, calculating potential risks, and adjusting its path accordingly to avoid any collisions with remarkable precision. This challenging scenario was closely monitored by Waymo's safety engineers, who observed that the AI's performance not only met but exceeded human reaction times in responding to sudden changes in the environment. Ensuring the safety of all road users, the AI demonstrated a level of foresight and adaptability that is essential for the future of autonomous driving, marking a significant milestone in the development of self-driving technology. This example illustrates how AI is not just enhancing transportation, but is fundamentally revolutionizing it, making it safer, more reliable, and more efficient through continuous learning and real-time decision-making. Waymo's progress is a clear indicator of how AI-driven vehicles will play a pivotal role in the future of mobility, transforming how we navigate our roads and interact with transportation systems on a global scale. Ethical and social implications. Navigating the ethical terrain. But with all these advancements comes significant ethical challenges that we must address. AI's potential to disrupt industries, displace jobs, and invade privacy is undeniable. As we integrate AI deeper into our lives, we must confront these ethical dilemmas head-on. A significant ethical challenge was highlighted by a study conducted by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, where researchers examined the biases in facial recognition technologies. The study, led by Dr. Patrick Grother, revealed that AI systems from major tech companies, including Microsoft and Amazon, were more likely to misidentify individuals with darker skin tones. This bias in facial recognition technology led to wrongful arrests in several cases, raising serious concerns about the fairness and accuracy of AI-driven law enforcement tools. In one high-profile case in Detroit, a man was mistakenly identified by an AI system as a suspect in a robbery solely based on facial recognition data that was flawed. The subsequent investigation uncovered that the AI system had a built-in bias due to the lack of diverse data in its training set, which primarily included lighter-skinned individuals. This incident has sparked widespread debate on the urgent need for ethical AI practices, emphasizing the importance of diversity in training data and the potential risks of unchecked AI use. To prevent such biases from causing further harm, experts are calling for rigorous testing, transparency, and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems in critical areas. Data is the lifeblood of AI. In our next episode, the role of data in AI. We'll dive into how data is collected, processed, and used to make AI smarter and more capable. We'll explore the power and challenges of data in the AI revolution. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to InfinityLearn Canada Academy. Hit the notification bell and stay updated with all our latest insights into the world of AI. And before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, or anyone who might be interested in the incredible world of AI. Your engagement helps us grow and continue to bring you more content like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI in healthcare, finance, smart homes, IoT, transportation, and beyond. Stay connected with us at InfinityLearn Canada Academy for more insights and deep dives into the technologies shaping our future.